Hi guys, today we will explain about how to join Temu affiliate program. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is open your computer browser and after it opens in the search bar you have to search for Temu affiliate program. And here are the search result and you can see here affiliate program. Just tap on this option. After tapping on that, you will be redirected to the affiliate program. And before joining the affiliate program, let me explain the benefit. One of the first benefit is when you will join the affiliate program, the team will pay you $2. Now let's close it and explore more. And if I scroll down more, and here you can read high commissions. It means by selling product on Temu, you can get commission. And if I scroll down more, here you will see some more features of authorized influencers. Authorized influencer will get 20% commission and also credits. And if someone download using their share link, they will get paid. And this one is for website. If you have a website, then you will get more commissions, more than a influencer. And if I scroll more, here you can read some more benefit of Temu. So if you want to join the affiliate program and want to earn money using Temu, then how can you do it? Let's scroll up and you can see the option sign in and register. So just tap on this option, then you can sign in and use the Temu affiliate program and can earn commission by selling products. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.